Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a keyword rank tracker using Python and Scrapingdog's Google SERP API. We will track 5 keywords, check where our website ranks on Google, and then save everything into a CSV file using pandas. Let's get started. First, let me show you what we need to install. Open your terminal and run this command. Pip install request pandas. Request is for making API calls to Scrapingdog's SERP API, and pandas is for saving our data into a CSV file. That's all we need. Now let me open the code. I already have it ready, so we can walk through it together. Now at the top, we import 3 things: request, pandas, and date time. Request handles our API calls, pandas handles our CSV export, and date gives us today's date, which we'll store with each result. Now we have two variables: API key. This is your Scraping Dog's API key. You can get it from the Scraping Dog dashboard after sign up. And the target URL. This is the domain we want to track. In my case, it's scrapingdog.com. You can replace this with your own website. Now, this is the list called keywords. These are 5 keywords we want to check. First one is the best SERP API. Second is Google SERP API. Third one is the best web scraping API, best web scraping tools. And the last one is scrape Google News with Python. Let's look at the function check underscore rank. It takes 2 arguments. One is the keyword, other one is target, and the target URL. Okay. Inside the function, we define the API endpoint, which is api.scrapingdog.com/Google. Then we pass 4 parameters. One is API key, query, results, and country. Country is set to US, results is set to 10 because we need first 10 results and we just want to track the ranking of these particular keywords in the first 10 results only. We then call request.get with the URL and params. This sends the request to Scrapingdog. Scrapingdog goes to Google and scrapes the results and sends back clean structured JSON. No proxies, no CAPTCHAs, all handled for you. We then call dot JSON on the response, that is response.json, and extract the organic result in an organic variable using data.get method. Now we loop through the organic results using enumerate, which gives us both the index and the result. The index starts at 0, so we can return index plus 1 to get the actual rank position, 1 for first, 2 for second, and so on. For each result, we check if our target URL appears in the link field. If it does, we return that position. If we go through all 10 results and don't find our domain, we return none. Now below the function, we create an empty list called results. This is where we'll collect data for all 5 keywords. We loop through our keywords list. For each keyword, we call check underscore rank. If a rank is returned, we print the position. If none is returned, we print not in top 10. Then we append a dictionary to our results with 3 fields: today's date, the keyword, and the rank. Let me run it so you can see the output. So if you have to run this file, type python rank.py on terminal. Once you run it, it will quickly fetch the data from Google and show you the rank. As you can see, we got the positions of those keywords, and the data is also saved to a file called rank tracking.csv. This file will appear inside your working folder. Now, how this is done, let me open my editor again and explain you how it works. These three lines convert our dictionary into a CSV file. We convert our results list into a pandas data frame. Then we call dot to underscore CSV and pass the file name rank underscore tracking dot CSV with index set to false. So we don't get an extra row numbers column. Then we print a confirmation message saying save to rank underscore tracking dot CSV. Let me open the CSV now and show you how it looks like. You can see three columns: date, keyword, and rank. This is your rank tracking data. If you run the script every day and appends new rows, you will have a full history of how your rankings changes over time. And that's a complete keyword rank tracker in under 40 lines of Python. Scraping Dog handles all the hard parts for you, like rotating proxies, avoiding blocks, parsing the HTML, rendering the JS, and gives you back clean JSON response so that you can just focus on the you know maintaining the data pipeline. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. The full code is provided in the GitHub link below in the description. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.